Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to take a closer look on how you can use digital stamps and how you can download them to your computer and edit them. So here I am on the Clearly Besotted website, and we're going to go into the section that is called Digi Stamps. And when you click here, you can see all the images that are for free at the moment, and they are all super cute. But we are going to choose this one called Poppy Bouquets, and then you're gonna go click download or add to cart, and then you're gonna go and add your information. And when you go to checkout, you will actually get like this and continue to payment, and then it's gonna say 0 and you're gonna get an email, and in the email you're gonna download your image. So that is how you are doing this. As you can see, now I have downloaded my image and it's on my in my file here, and I'm going to go to GIMP and open it in this program. And you can see that this image comes with this white background, and I don't want this to create this next step, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to trace the entire image, and I will speed this up for you so you don't have to see every click that I'm making. And you will see that I have sped it up I think 4 times, but it isn't that much of an effort. It takes a couple of seconds to create this one. And then you have when you have traced it, you can go and copy it and you can create another panel. You could actually work in this one as well, but I decided to leave my tracing as it is and just to create another image here. It doesn't matter really the size of this, because you can change the size later on, and I will just show you. This is really simple. You're just going in and rotating your image, and then we're gonna cover this entire section of with this beautiful digital stamp. And I'm just playing around. You can do this more carefully if you want to. I just did this for the video, and you can see that I am just rotating and then taking another part of the stamp just to create a little bit more interest. And I like the white parts that are created between our stamps here. It just makes it look like there still are bouquets that we are placing around. And the fun thing is, when you have a digital stamp like this, you can actually foil it, and you will see in a second how I will be doing that. So now I'm going into this file and just saving it to my so I can find it later on, and I'm going into Word and opening my file here, and then I'm gonna just make it so that I can move it around a little bit better. And also here is the part when you can change the size of this, so you can see you can create a full full paper, or just make sure that it's covering a card base. So here you can see how it looks after I have printed it on my home computer onto some Nina 80-pound cardstock. I did the same thing to some Nina Desert Storm cardstock because I wanted some variety. A thing that you can do if you have a computer that is printing on with laser, you can actually do some foiling. You can see in the background there that I did some foiling, and I also did some regular Copic coloring. You can see that this foiling didn't turn out perfect, but you get an idea of what you can do with digital stamps that you can do with other stamps that you have in your stash. So that is a fun feature, and it's super easy. So now we're going to turn these into cards. I started to adhere them down to some heavy card bases, and then we're gonna pick some sentiments. I have a little ball or tray on my desk here that I can pick some sentiments that I have left over from previous projects, and that is always handy to have when you want to create some quick cards. So I just picked Friend. This is from Trinity Stamps, as well as the coordinated sentiment is also from Trinity Stamps. It says Friend, you inspire me. And the other one is from All to New. It's also a newer stamp set from them. I will go in and embellish this with some white gel pen just to create a little bit more dimension to this card and interest, and you can see here on the close-ups how it looks. I will also show you a couple of other products that I have been creating with digital stamps in the previous month. This cute bunny is also from Clearly Besotted, and it's a free one. It's super cute. This one is also from Clearly Besotted. I just love this, and I used an embossing folder on top of mirror cardstock, and this stamp is from Whimsy Stamps. And I just love how cute this is, and I love the coordinating sentiment. I got you covered, and it was this exact feeling that I had when this was released, and I just love that adorable little creature. And the last one here, you could see it was not a finished project, but that was also from Clearly Besotted. I hope you liked this video. If you did, and if you want to see something similar in the future, please leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. I hope you stay safe, and next time, have a great day. Bye!